Hello, I'm Isla4 and this is Funny Cat 2. We have a whip sort of thing with a string attached to it, and Domino, the funny cat, is biting it and doing random stuff.
And
Ow. That's my brother just flipping me there. Whoa. That pretty scared her.
use the Catfisher 3000.
Which is kind of just a piece of, whoa. Ow. Don't do that, Fraser. That's my brother. That was my brother hitting me there. Make her stand up again.
Okay, I'll try and make her stand up.
Okay, this is...
Look, I found a new purpose for my whip. Someone else.
Ah, that's a good idea. She'll like that.
That was my mum's... I'm actually telling my mum about the new Catfisher 3000.
Look, Domino.
Oh yeah, she's standing up. She stood up.
What's it? I actual fish.
He is fishing now.
Oh, I've got a bite, I've got a bite.
Yes. Right, shall you do camera and I'll do the whip fishing? Matthew?
Oh, she's after. I bet you she'll chase me around the garden. Look. Let's launch it.
We have tried this with Timmy, our cousin's cat, and it sort of worked. Domino!
It works.
Domino!
It works, but I got several killing scratches.
You can't really see them, Matthew, but he does have some scratches.
Timmy.
Timmy the vicious cat.
This is very vicious. Very, very. I'm Indiana Jones.
Oh, my brother is just pretending to be Indiana Jones there, so Domino. Domino! Right, get the Catfisher 3000 out.
Domino. Domino, go get some domino.
Meow.
Bet she'll chase me around in a circle.
Okay, put it closer to her.
Yeah.
Right, make her stand up
Yeah.
again. Yeah. See, Matthew's trying to hook up Domino.
Go in for the hook. Go in for the hook. Come on, Domino. Go in for the hook. You can at least try to. Go on, Domino. Go in for the hook. Oh, looks like Domino's a bit too tired today.
Okay, right.
So that's all from Isla4.
No, we're just going to film Domino doing some stuff.
Yeah, this is about 3 minutes long.
Okay, right. Thank you. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.